How to turn off notifications on Telegram X. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn it down. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon, and here there's a section called Settings. Tap on Settings. So now we're in this Settings interface. So this is the place where you can customize and find different options. Here, if you slowly scroll down, there's a section called Notifications. Simply tap on it. So here you'll be able to find different subcategories of notification. So you can simply tap on them in order to turn them off. So it's up to you and the way that you want to customize your notifications. At last, you can go back and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.